Welcome back to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Airbnb listing. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not really suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right section and click on switch to hosting. That will take you to your hosting dashboard, and then click on listings at the top. And then click on your listing. Now this is the listing details page where you can alter all the settings about your listing. But to delete a listing, you need to click on this settings icon here next to arrival guide. And on the next page, the last option here you will see is remove listing. You just need to choose a reason for why you're doing so and then click on next. They will ask you to confirm once again. You definitely want to remove it. If you have any future bookings, it won't let you delete the listing. But if in your case, if you do not want to honor the future bookings, you will need to phone Airbnb and tell them your circumstances, and they might be able to help you with that. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.